Sold.
Here we go. Here we go.
New bidder.
Oh no, come on, man. Don't do this to me. We're gonna get, come on now. You serious right now? Canada. What are you gonna do with this in Canada, man? It's getting up there.
This is a hot lot.
This Canadian guy, man, he won't leave it alone. Come on. $8,200.
Show him who's boss.
Oh yeah, you're a real good influence, Mike. God. He's one of those, man. Just he's gonna try to get it up to the 10 grand they were asking for it. This guy I think is a troll. I really do, because he's been sitting here just bidding on it. He was on the last one too.
Oh, really?
Bonus time.
Come on, go, Clark, go.
8,800.
Go, Clark, go. There it is.
Sold on approval.